how to take a screenshot without button on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this, you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, when you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy device, you need to use the volume down and then the power button together to take the screenshot. But in case where you don't want to use those buttons and you still want to take screenshot on your Samsung, then all you need to do is swipe down your control center, expand it, and then locate take screenshot. If take screenshot is missing, edit the control center. Tap on edit again, and then come to you see available buttons and then add take screenshot. Once it's added, click on done and then done again. Now, when next you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy device, just swipe down the control center, expand it, go to the page first. So let's say we want to take a screenshot on a particular web page or on YouTube. Go to YouTube, scroll down the control center, locate take screenshot and tap on it once. Then you should see your Samsung phone taking the screenshot. If you click on it, you should see the screenshot like that, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to take screenshots without buttons on Samsung phone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.